Guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, special welcome to you. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to loop your clips in DaVinci Resolve 19. Now, as you can see here on my timeline, guys, I have one video clip here and I'm going to show you how I can loop this. Now, before I loop it, let me go ahead and adjust the timeline to make it a bit smaller so it's much easier for me to show you. So here it is, one video clip, right? Now, on a Mac, you want to go ahead and press the Option key and then drag this clip towards the right hand side. Now, on a Windows, you want to press the Alt button on your keyboard and then drag the clip, and you will see that it starts to make a copy, and you just need to put it towards the end of that clip. You can do it as much time as possible, right, as you wish. And to make it even faster, you can highlight all of these clips at once, press Alt and just drag everything until you make another huge duplicate of that. Lots of videos here that you just loop, and you can even do it multiple times. Alt and drag it the same, and as you can see, I made multiple duplicates here. And that's it, guys. That's how easy it is to create a loop of your video clips in DaVinci Resolve 19. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.